In the last month, I've had 6 driving tests, and out of the 6, 4 of them passed and 2 failed. Now, the 2 that failed were my best drivers, but they failed because of one common thing. They both were so worried and nervous as they got closer to the test. So, the point I'm trying to say again, I've said many times, relax. You really have to relax. This is the only reason why a less capable driver goes and passes when a more capable driver fails. And it's nothing but that. Welcome to another video. This is a driving test on the 12th of October 2021, and the test was at Hither Driving Test Center, and the time was 3:02 in the afternoon. So this was going into the rush hour. Now, as we can see, she carried out a bay parking in the car park at the test center just before they went out of the test center on the test, and it was perfect. The parking was brilliant, and again, it just shows what I mean by how good she is. So anyways, so parking's done, and that continued. Even though the parking was perfect, she was quite nervous, but you guys might not see this, but we knew that, but she managed to complete that. So again, remember guys, try and calm your nerves. I know there's no magic wand to fixing this. Just remember that there's nothing you can do at that point. You can't change it. That nerves is not going to change the outcome, and if it does, it would only make it worse. So should I say, it would only give you an outcome that you probably would not want. So why keep it? So drop the nerves, relax, and remember now, all you can do now is just bring in what you've learned and just focus on the road. Focus, be safe, be realistic, and drive. What happened there? No, it was not an emergency braking, and it was not the learner. So the examiner at this point applied the brake because the learner failed to realize that she was actually getting to a junction with a giveaway line. So she had no intention of stopping at that junction, and the examiner had to stop her just in case, because there was a blind at the junction. Now, bear in mind, what you see on the screen right now is not how you see it from the car. This is because the camera is mounted on the roof. But if you're actually sitting inside the car, you cannot see into your left and right because the cars on both sides are creating a blind. And this is the reason why the examiner braked and stopped the car at that point. And at this point, the test was a fail. So what you see now is just a drive around to try and maneuver around to come back to the test center. So you can rewind back and scroll back to see at what point she came out of the test center. So it was about 9 minutes and 17 seconds gone into this test or into this video. That was the moment they came out of the test center, and the fail was about 11 minutes and 7 seconds into the video. So if you subtract, if you minus the difference, that is literally a fail within 2 minutes. So as you can see, one of my best drivers failed right there within 2 minutes. Now, I have never had to stop her at a junction because she wasn't going to stop. I've never, literally never, until the day of the test, and it was just 2 minutes from when they exited the test center. Now, this is again another reminder that you've just got to relax your mind. I mean, the only reason why she did that was because she was thinking and thinking of many things in her mind. And though she can see the junction, but she wasn't really processing it and not thinking of what she needs to do at that junction, which is why she can't see it. And that's what you tell yourself, you can't see it, but you actually saw it. You just didn't process it because your mind is busy. Your mind is working through a lot of things, and that's what you want to avoid on your test. Now watch how she beautifully drove back to the test center, and I just wish that she made the first 10-minute count. And this is what I used to say. So your first 10 minutes is so important. If you drive very well, it will not only make the examiner relax, it would help you and boost your confidence because you know you're doing something right.